In this video, I'm going to share with you why you should start your YouTube channel now if you are 30 plus years old. And the truth is that 30 plus people have so much more to offer than the younger generation. And I will give you 3 tips how you can really do that. The first thing is to have the understanding that if you're over 30, then you have so much experience. You have done your career, you have raised your children, you have some hobbies, what you have also going so deep into, right? So you have so many knowledge around so many different areas. And this is the thing what you can really use for your own benefit to teach other people in the same area where you're very knowledgeable about. And the second good thing is that if you put out there your knowledge, what you're very passionate about, you start attracting people who are passionate about similar things as you. So you can really create a community for yourself with the people who are resonating with you. So if you feel that you haven't really found your community, then this is the perfect example how you can really do that, to start creating your YouTube channel about the things you really, really love and attract similar type of people as you. The second thing, usually when you're older, you're way more consistent, and that's what YouTube actually really, really wants, is that you stay very, very consistent with your content. And if we watch people from the earlier stage of their lives, then they might struggle more with that, because when we are in our 20s, for example, then maybe you remember that you didn't even know what was the life about, right? You were more in this journey of self-discovery, and you were not so consistent with anything because everything was so exciting. So you were just jumping from one thing to another. But if you want to have a YouTube channel, then it's very, very important to keep the consistency. And this is what you have when you are over 30 plus years old, that you not only have the wisdom, but you also have the patience, and you are already more established in that way, and you can reach your goals so much faster because you know what you want to do and how you want to do that. And the third thing is that you can actually build your own brand around it, and people will take you way more serious when you're a little bit older to create your own business and start creating your own products and real business around YouTube channel, because this is something what I think people don't really think much when they are starting a YouTube channel, is that you can actually build multiple streams of income through your YouTube channel. It's not just about creating YouTube content, but you can actually create your personal brand and create your products and services around it and really leverage from this. So this is also something what I think people are way more mature to do in their older times than in the 20s, where they don't know much about life in general. If you are inspired to start your YouTube channel, then I have a guide, YouTube Domination, where I help you to optimize your channel and do everything behind the scenes before you upload a video. So if it's something what is interesting for you, then I put the link below. But other than that, if you had some thoughts or ideas, then you can comment below, and I hope to see you next time.